This is the part of the video where I show you how to use Screencast-O-Matic to obtain media from YouTube or any other source, really. First thing you're going to want to do is go to screencast-o-matic.com, and you're going to want to sign up for a membership. There are two types of memberships. There's the regular one, the free one rather, and then there's the premium, an upgraded version. I recommend the premium version because it gives you some editing features so you can edit the video, and it also gets rid of the watermark. Now, I'm actually using Camtasia right now to record this screencast, so I had to use another screencasting software in order to record how to use this screencasting software. Anyway, once you have downloaded the program, you're going to open it up, and a box is going to appear. It says record, and it gives you three options. You can record the screen, you can record from the webcam, or you can do both. There's a max time limit if you have the free version. I have the premium version, so there's no max time limit. For the size, I've chosen the full screen, but there are a couple other options here. For narration, I'm using the Yeti stereo microphone. You can choose your computer microphone or whatever you have available. And for computer audio, I like to put yes. For this project, you're going to want to put yes also, because what we're going to do is we're going to record a YouTube video, and I want the sound that's playing in the YouTube video to come through on the recording. So once I've got everything set up and I'm on the page that I want to get started on, I can click this full screen button, and I can hit the record button on Screencast-O-Matic, and now it is recording. So I press play. Once I've played a little bit, I can stop the recording in Screencast-O-Matic, and I click done, and it shows me what I've recorded. So we're going to call this one video, and this is what has just been recorded, and now it is recording. So I press play. What I want to do is click the edit feature, and edit has several options to choose from. I'm going to choose cut, and I want to make sure that every video starts without pushing the play, or rather, I want it to start at the appropriate time. So as you can see, I've got the cursor showing here. If I want to get rid of that, I push the cursor button off, and wherever the video starts, let's say I want to start it right here, I would push the cut there and then drag it like that, click OK, and the cut is complete. Now I can also put a cut at the end here, pushing the plus button, dragging it over to the right, clicking OK. Once I've done all that, click done, save as a video file. I want to save it as an MP4. The file name is still the same file name. This is the folder that the video is going to save into. I can choose to have no cursor or cursor depending on what I want to do. And for quality, I always choose higher, which is a larger file, but it's just better quality. For this video, I'm going to choose lower, and then I'm going to hit publish. It's going to go through this process, and once it finishes, I'm going to have an MP4 of a YouTube video that includes the sound and everything else.